Replace the ear tips. Achieving the best fit for your hearing aids is crucial for both your comfort and optimal hearing performance. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ear tip. Inside the box, you will find 3 sizes of ear tips. If whistling occurs, we suggest utilizing bigger size ear tips. Grasp and hold the hearing aid and the ear tip firmly. Then pull the ear tip off the hearing aid. Choose a new ear tip size. Hold the hearing aid with one hand. Align the opening of the new ear tip with the sound outlet of the hearing aid. Push the hearing aid into the new ear tip until you feel a click. Pull the ear tip gently to check the stability between the ear tip and hearing aid. If necessary, repeat these steps for the other hearing aid. Now wear your hearing aids and check if they feel comfortable and secure. If not, please repeat the steps with different size of ear tips until you find the best fit for you. Thanks for watching.